All right, so here we have the AIRTOK 7-in-1 dog groomer. Great dog groomer here. I just will show you a couple of the features. One, it's got a huge container for the vacuum. So you just hit this button here, pops up, take the handle off. It is a nice little, a good size container. Not the largest, but small pets, it works well. Got on-off vacuum mode here. Long hose and a really long power cord, which I find to be really valuable in a dog groomer. You got 4 different clipper sizes here, which is great. You get pretty short, 3, 6, 9, 12 millimeters. And then you have these 5 different tools. You've got deshedder, you've got a massager, which is really nice, a little vacuum for crevices in your dog, as well as a comb, a brush that, you know, you see it ejects and then it pulls them back, and then a little like vacuum. All in all, great little tool. Obviously you have the vacuum here. You can see it on the other side of the clipper. So I cut my dog's hair. You can see some hair on there and did not make a mess. Sucking power, 1300 PAs, sound 60 dBs. And you got the 4 different lengths. I'd say this is a really good tool. Not the quietest, but really powerful tool. So I recommend the AIRTOK 7-in-1 dog groomer.